to our family channel.
Sa ko manuya. Samo. Si ka ko mo mo ri ka ko mai ro ka ko a. Wai pula le me fo yo Ya. Ska ko pese.
Love for
Yesu. Salo le me tuna la fia fi fa tsai le tua lo ma to tama wai uman man wele ne ya so tiu tama fai va sa fe ngai mala fa nau ya mai la bala ma tama le tsai ona le lana e fa tsa pe nai ma to tiu tama fai va uman e to fia ma to se yo o mele ne tu la tama o to fa tsa stasi ma to trono ma to a inga ma o tama lawa fa tsai le tua lo wanga le la tau singa la pupuinga la lo leonga fo langa la fa na le ne ya so wai umara manuia ile ne yaso ono la fio le tuolo mato tama fa fetai foi la fio tama la fa unga mamano la fa mano longa ilungo la fa na uma le ne la nyatoa ono ma eso de chino e ala le lo malo si fa fu wina lo e fa so ina mai pe ya imato ile aso male aso se yo o mai lava le ne temi le tuolo mato tama fa fetai la fio tama ono fa manu yana ese wo mato bobo ono la fio ele ngata ilo wola malo malo si fa fo wina we to tai mai mato le ne tula au me ai ma va inu la lava o tupe tele o me ata itasi uma tama o mato bobo ono la fio fa fetai tele tama ono la fo wa ia te mato so se wala ai fa sili mato fa fetai la fio ono lo wal pele to taso Yesu ke wiso na ya sa unia le sa tonga mo mato ilunga ole sa tau na ya madiu fa lava awai mamalingi ai no toto mama ngalo maulai mato le atu le fana wanga sala ai mato te fama wala lo atu tamai le ne tula ono mato wo se fana wo tumu le se malanga sala ilu mo la wo fio le atua fa mo le tama ya vele toto pa io lo walo pelo Yesu ke wiso na malingi no ole sa tau ia fa manga lo ina I matou la fa na o sala I mo la o fio ia le nei foi pota ma o sa oni la fa na ia tadia la fo wa I on I me ai ma vai no matou ma wa ia fa fetai tele le tua le me ai ma vai no matou ma o ono la o fio ia e fa manu ia ma fa pa ia ina na ia ngai lo matou wo la vai a ia matou mana tu ai lo le maliu lo walo pelo Yesu ke wiso ole sa tau ma ia fa tasi mai fo I lawa fiota mai so e ngole nei po se temi fo le nei po mato sa oni mato te ta oto yo mato mo ngala mato mo moe ia fa pena ta mana fa tasi mai pe lawa fio ia I mato ono lo suafo ia suke biso ala tua lo matou wala au ni ia lava o le atua le tama fa ba lava oi amen ia aya ako mo mua ka ko ave me ya Jesus ako mai ro ka ko wa ia sei yeah.
Okay, guys. So, hello, fam. Before we start our video, let's just finish our family evening prayer, and we also placed our food. So we want to do a shout out to our first ever super thanks. We wanted to thank you, Brendaline, and your daughters all the way from Oregon, US. Thank you for your support, and also we want to shout out to our first member who joined, Daffy, Little Mama 2066. We want to thank you as well for your support. You guys, your support means everything to us, and we wanted to say that what you guys doing is motivates us to keep creating videos and do a family sharing with you guys. So thank you, we do appreciate you. We are praying to God bless you and your family for all the support you have given us.
Faftai tele lava.
Yeah.
Aya sei siak ku po aya me a.
Samoan, now,
Oh, Mel.
or Samoan, so,
Ya, o ai dei guys. Papa kiu le ma.
Is it hot?
Le o ma fa vela.
See, that's what is left from yesterday.
Ke le
Still
papa kiu a.
too much.
Fa nga was ka me ki dang fa nga. Ya ko e a va we pong. Ya, mare umuare ada uru markalo. Ya mga ya. Ale crab salad le.
yeah, we,
So hope you guys doing good during this Easter holidays, and also the Easter Sunday to all our subscribers from the US, because I know it's one day behind for them. So today is Monday to us, and for the US subscribers it's a Sunday. So have a blessed Sunday to you all. Hope you guys are doing well and safe in the US. We are sending our prayer to you guys during these wars and everything's going on. So hope you guys are doing well and safe. So yeah, and that's our menu for tonight. It's a leftover barbecue from yesterday. There I can still see there are lambs inside this barbecue and a chicken turkey tail with our Creole taro and breadfruit and our crab salad. So yeah, we're gonna have our dinner together.
Ya wala.
And we also want to thank you everyone who take their time out of their busy schedule to send a happy birthday to the one and only chef here. Yeah, we thank you so much for everything. You guys make his special his birthday more special, and also a support to our family channel.
Ya.
Hey, oh, Salem.
ôi, chẳng lù đúng không?
Lalo menu đi, lalo me ai đi mala.
Mua đó, mà mua đó,
Ore mua le, ore ma mua le.
ula,
Ore ula.
cậu,
Ulu kau, yeah, nga.
Ko so di voi da ka mo chat sa.
So you can see, what are you having, baby? So she's having a noodle.
Nga bu yan ni ki ki ore me ay ya.
She was having a she was having something in the evening.
Yeah.
So now she's only want to have a noodle.
Chai le choi la na fo. Ya. Pa ma du ru fo pia fa pe sa pa u ya leo la fo pesen ni. Ya. Kau ke se ya ku le leo le. Ala fo pesen so de.
Bisa na levo ulo niya. So me ko lang ang ale piki ay le au fai pese le loku yo le. Yeah, nga. So now you see everything.
Saka are kuka sa pipi mau wala marba. Yeah.
This is gonna be awesome.
Ako udah parfum kalau pun uruar.
Kalau.
Sal.
Oi, you. May susumya.
Kalau malah wah.
Cảm ơn nhá.
Tao nhà mà bôi đấy à.
Ừ.
Wait, you got it wrong. Give me a time.
Yeah, but so she's having a breakfast with a noodle. Isi for you ko nga fau sanga sa wele king kiki ah.
Wala ka mo la sungal pule mo. Jadi ai nga kalang ai ka papakiwa nga ba ko ko ai wedang nga ba de la lang. Ya la ko mi ka ko ai ka ma papakiwa.
Mea nga de ka kau kia ia kuai de ah. Ke va ia kun mako fale pe diet pe o ka de ah.
Le mongong si ai pe are ya.
Emma Imanatsu. You see, so we spent zero money for this Monday. For this Monday. Come over there and fire lunch. So I know for you guys that seen my live earlier, so I had this one for my lunch. So no money cost spent for this whole Monday. And we thank you, Lord, for always being with us during this journey. And for all of you guys, because without you guys, we can't make it. Your support and your motivation, your pushings and your comments is make us put it there. It's give us more motivation to do more videos and share to you how our Samoan people living in New Zealand. Yeah, but mana susi kan? Mana kasih mana susi? Yeah, thank you.
Ayah sosial de
Ah.
papakiwa ni guys.
Feel perfect.
Kamaro le kain paper.
Yang ako nga I can paper kung mako fare.
Kain paper kamasa o ya.
Apa pa? Aro.
May may kamare seu nga de umi seu.
Ano? Ano fare? Kalau. Kalau kau ni lang.
You stole my taro.
Magulong tawa.
This is a taro.
This is a taro.
All the people are reading.
Whenever I have live holding on holidays, school holidays, we might just stay home.
Vamos lá.
Ada kong carping sing. Whenever I have out carping sing the kind of picture we are using.
Yeah.
So we just saw latest news from the local news. They are having alerts on our picture, like the number of our picture. So we might as well stay home because you know if you're so they
Vamos. Au. Vai.
Ayah udwa.
Crab.
Magulong ko rin. Kau. Magulong ko rin. Kapan? Kau magulong ko rin.
pwede bisa. Pwede bisa sih ingat naman.
Kamaro lang umu wala kasi nga fight kuda ede.
Kau ada udu le. Kamado.
Kama kimi ngai dia nga ba. Nangat gua ngai fight mako umur popo.
We allow my last
And
one.
set up our umu, like the area to do our umu. So he's the one that set up everything Saturday night, Saturday evening before the Sunday. So he set up everything for him to do the umu. Even though he's sick, but there are some parts of our family that he's helping a lot. Nakamanga request ko nga. Or Saturday, if I work back home, when we were in Samoa, if I work on Saturday, so it's a half day. Close around 2. Kakimanga ba ko lang. if I may lang being a fight. So if he says something like that, like if he lets you know what he was doing in the day, so that means he needs something. So the only thing he's after is a food. And that's our routine every Saturday. After work, I have to buy something for him and my daughter.
Yeah.
Mako, wow.
Almost finished.
Oh,
I love it.
Kung bilang sa orang ko lang sa inyo niya.
Bye bye.
Mako, wow. Kau, wow, wow.
So now we are living in New Zealand. So our brothers now even use like the way how to go to the church and come back. But back home, early in the morning, he's the first one to get up, freshes up and ready himself, and then walk to the church. So maybe soon or lucky it's far from us. Our church is far from us. Otherwise, he had to walk there. But now the other thing, he has a problem with his walk. That's the thing.
So kakaway dah, okay yan mo ko fi au sa, wan mo ya ko ngon mo ko. Wala pia ko, ko wa pe rau ya sa uma. Ya kena stia ko ngo ya nga oro ku kai au pe rau. Ai oro ya fi wa de pe rau a kakara de pe rau ka pe rau ya fi. Pero se au ya ko vai me ya mai, fa kai kai na de me mai ya ko ya ki a ko. Fai pe rau ke uma me rok. No le ari kita.
Oh, there can if I with out. And the other thing with out are like realize for him whenever he goes to church, sometimes like all our families not attending the church, but for him he always had to go to the church. So if Maya know that, I think it's like the happy for him. He's supposed to sit at where the boys sit. But the thing is with Maya, like the start of the church, he's sitting with the boys. And then halfway to the middle of the church, he moved to the singer section. He sit there for like a minute, and then he moved to the Sunday school seat. So one Sunday, our pastor was saying there's a good sign that Maya is bringing to the church. If none of us attend to the church, like he has to sit every seat that we're supposed to come in the church and sit. So he's like replacing us. I'm like, oh my gosh, we not even realize that, but the pastor are like keep an eye on him and learn what he's trying to express, like trying to show to everyone. Because the sister in North Samoan, their sister and my cousin-in-law. So if they are not going to church, it's a sign that he's replacing some of our family members not attending to the church. And for me, I always sit at the back seats of the Sunday school. So there's a minute he's gonna spend there in that seat, and then the Sunday school. He go back to where he was sitting in the beginning of the church. Like he not talk, but the way he's doing everything, it shows something. And everyone, because the pastor didn't say directly to us, but he was like doing it as a speech. And he was using Maya as an example. If I met up with our pastor was asking if he's not coming to church, pastor sense that there's something's wrong with Maya. So they have to ask any of our family member that attend church, like how's Maya, how's everything? And then we have to tell him that he's have a problem with his leg, he got gout, triggers. Yeah. I'm like, yeah, because the pastor says like, yeah, I sense that something's happened to Maya because Maya never skipped church.
Lalu ko siya, lawa. Ibu ko lawa ko lawa.
Never go.
Lawa. Tambah haru meriu nak lawa. Oh.
Này.
Lawa. Lawa.
Kia miệng ạ.
Po. Mur kala mau lawa. Siya.
Rồi.
Umel lawa.
Mà đâu trả lại.
Sisi. Isang ko mudi. Ibu lawa. Lawa.
Sinä be kamaro. Iusupo kamaro ka sa ri kai ka.
À.
Eri ka ya makre lo ko usuk maro ya la kim na so fos mo ko fe au ngo. Ko ina ya fa ungam ka kia. Ya mane kina persone maro ro ya maima. La kamaro i muki ngam. Mar ko fe au.
Makon lawa. Ah, meriu. Sisi. Lawa. Ah, kau yang supaya tambah roti bedu apa?
Cámara ya. Phải cáo lại cái PC. Phải cáo lại cái spaya por el PC como le look one. Because there's a time when the pastor saying that we are gonna read these scriptures and whatever. So we have to like look for which parts we have to read out. So my training his Bible is like he knows exactly what he's looking for. And the way he's like putting his Bible all the way up so everyone's from the back is seeing that he's reading from the different descriptions. Mama dia paya la phải cầu sa orang kusi la phải cầu. And the confidence man and the way he's like reading. Oh my gosh, paya la sa orang kusi la phải cầu.
Meu lawa supaya much. Ah, sisi. Lawa.
Kamaro me au su ko yo.
Kasi ya susu nga.
Makon lawa. Ah. Sisi. Lawa. Meriu.
Ya me fe ka mo me badiu.
Meu lawa.
Ya fa la se ma yo si ai no ma ko u se su kamaro la.
La kangi may dungon madiu.
Oi mariu e ko ngalo. Se la ko foi me ava ngai ka kala que la ko kamaro ngo foi fe au.
Man, and when he was crying, like, you know, there's a time for family to out to the kankamadiwa. Okay. Kangi may maya pay, it's like a close relative to him.
Wasi ang mga le mga makayang chepe ke mini se mga baka nga pi inga
Yeah.
wa ka Filipino o ilay madiu e ka kamaro e dunga le yotu. Kula la mga makakama umal madiu nga makakamaro. Bora me makula kangi kamaro le.
Yeah. There's sometimes we're like, someone is crying from the room, and when we check, it's him, like, because he was watching the funeral service, and then he start crying. I'm like, what is happening? I
Ka
think
kiki aku. O se madiu le wa kolu ka usanga ka wai de.
la kangi.
Da ko ang ka kamaro yotu mga makai wa. Ai kangi kamaro.
La fora fau. Ah. Si o bof. Wow. La fora meu bof.
Ya, ano ko fi aura fa unga le fa ko me fa unga. Ya rofa ya meu, me rofa ya meu. Me rofa le fi au ya ya.
Meu bof. Eu mais ma. Si meu si bof.
Ua le fi au mai ma. Le ko ngalo ma wa.
Mako sana bof. Mako.
Makamalo foi ofendia com uma cofada.
Ma la ka le fi ya.
Ofendia com uma cofada, but he's gonna tell on the pastor. Kamalo pe emisia ku I uporu ai ka usa ba. Mal makom ka kia story mako kamale.
Wala ma ko fa de mama ba fa sa. Me ana ka ro.
Mako siwa. Pameu mako.
A fa ni da nga ko ngin ma ko. Ya cara ngasa.
He has a special.
Yang fa don't fa piko ke ma ko la ka ya do ya. Ya do ka ya mo fi ala nga sa. E ko nga ka ra fa nga ko. E fa piko fa do nga ka ro ma ko fi au ma fa ku e. Ma ko anga ko ina.
But now Maya's not there anymore, so they are not having any special presence in the church during Sunday school Thanksgiving.
Wala pa o may musik ka le. Pa festival ma bunga wa pa o mako fa le pa ma bunga wa mako e fa casa.
Yeah, then.
Pa o ma ya bangi e mo kamaro. Ano kamaro.
Mako ka.
Mas ya ba ma ya sa ku wa loko ma ku fa casa. Wa ma fa sa ku respeto wa fa sa ma si ku fa sa ma mo. Ku wa ma kamaro me ngal mako loko. Tak ma ko ya fa sa ma mo loko.
Yeah. When Maya only come home when he feels like hungry.
Ka. Wa ko yo. Oh, ai. Itu ada.
Pero nga fi ay kumaro ko loko kumaro.
Dapat ka ba?
Wa umafay nga sa ngingo na sa Maya.
Ya ba. Apa? Ai. Mungkin siapa? Waka. Wa. Apa?
Cái ngồi ra mà mai phấn mẹ ấy. Này mấy chiếu xanh à.
Okay.
Thì đó là hả baby.
Mas ya ma ha.
Mako ko yung dapat ka ba? Ba ka? Asa lang ko kali. Apa? Dapat ka ba? Tao phong ko ba?
Where's the juice?
Fo. Yung kali ko ba? Dapat ka ba? Tao ko. Apa?
Papa sao?
Đây à?
Apa?
Tao ko. Đây à?
Nga.
Anh có kêu ngon nè.
Chơi chơi lên. Gu. Chơi chơi lên. Nó vô kali chơi cái gì? Okay, I'm back.
Okay, so guys, if you wonder who's that child's name Jay that he's keeping telling you every single video. So LJ is one of our nephew. He's now living in Australia with one of my brother-in-law, my husband's brother, their brother. So because they were growing up, him and LJ and my daughter Samnai. So that's why he's still feeling that he's missing him because it's been a while now we haven't seen him.
Không.
So that's why he's keep calling. So now Maya's thinking that LJ is still the same. Because LJ is now growing up, but he's feel like LJ is still a baby. So whenever he see any babies around or when we go to the public, if he sees someone's baby and he's chubby because our LJ is chubby as well. So whenever he sees some baby is chubby, he call him LJ. Even watch a movie and he sees some babies act on the movie and they are chubby. It's fine going on your LJ. So that's the mindset of Maya now. So that's his mindset now that he thought LJ is still the same. So madam for Maya ele kupu dunga kuma kike stay there.
Ora wa fingira sama nai.
Yeah.
Masih mai ora kike kare masinga akaya ga ga ai sama nai.
Yeah, he's
Maya
after
kike
her.
Maya kike ya sama nai kike no pepe aroma ku ma sama nai sa ko e ma kamaro.
Itu baru dia. Itu baru itu.
He's a baby lover as well. Whenever you go somewhere and he see a baby, he's like stuck there playing with the baby. Fafia kami pepe.
Dia lapor baru. Lapor
Ako vai ko isi video ay kamaro nga ko nga 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 ay ko. Ko me nga kamaro fa ka mo pu ang sapi.
He record himself.
Nakuha maka YouTube kamaro. Pero maka kamaro isi nga maka ka.
And then he like trying to
Mga kamaro
mga fight.
Puso nga video ay ko nga nga ko nga video nga kamaro ay
Yeah. So things that he wanted to do, so we do it for him if he can't do it because he can't handle the social media and everything like that. So I have to post a video for him or for my husband. Like we post a video for him and we show him for everyone that like engage and comments with him. So we have to explain everything and he feel happy. Like those small things just make him happy.
Ada kumaro ko makamaka video la. Makamai po me fai me mga ona.
Yeah, so that's the only thing we have to do it. It's just make whatever make them happy. That's it. Because you know there are some things of this world that we can do but they can't do. So that's why we are here to do what he can't do. So we can feel that empty space of them.
Kalau cakap masih tahu aku. Siapa bawa orang ya sana kau ada mereka kau pulang aku mesaj.
Yeah, if you want to go there, we can go. But for him, he needs someone to assist him because he can't.
Aku support. Yeah, masuk aku laut. Aku support.
Famaro semua kau angkor sama orang.
Sorry dia. Asyik. Tahu.
Nah, okay, udah.
Tahu dia ya. Ni bolo. Dia.
Kalau kau di mana rasa?
Udah dia.
So Maya's like teasing you like you are big, like fat. It feel like he's not fat. But when he's teasing you, sometimes it's okay, kamu ya.
Bolo gua. Apa aku melu. Aku tahu. Tahu. Tahu apa? Tahu apa?
Kumaro maya teman. Waktu ulah balik rasa. Baru kau dua.
Sudah. Debong.
Fera
Debong pagi.
Fera ya.
Debong pagi.
Yeah.
Sudah.
New Zealand. Orang New Zealand.
Mako debong. Mau ulang sudah.
Ya, orang kini kilang ya. Ada orang New Zealand. Oh iya.
Aku pagi.
Lang day man.
Lagi sudah kau dua kemarin. Ya, ada lagi kilang kemarin.
Lain, goreng.
Ay, pero ko lusun.
Ada yang berapa?
Oh, biko. Bunga. Parang
Suara yang bersih sampai.
mabunga. Ulok.
O dahil pa po pong ang.
Email
Bakirang ko luar pa po pong alok.
Dah kemarin. Ini kaya berapa kala yang kau bawa FIFA ini yang kau dia.
Aku mau Quran. Kau kan tahu. Bunga. Oh.
Mas berapa pun?
Kau.
Alele ka penga ka ko fan.
Kaya aku berapa pun? Kaya aku pun apa mana?
Aku piang. Aku pila. Wow. Dapat. Aku.
Kay kiri ka invite sa dere invite singolong ay.
Kaya berapa yang kau
Aku
mau?
fang pia. Ya fang ulah. Let ulah ni. Apa pia? Oh, ngapa?
Kumalo pe relipo.
Aku kola. Mau lepo cuy oi. Aku lauk ulu. Au.
Eh, ko kay relipo la po maya yang parsi. Maya.
So, dia mana? Dia mau fok mana?
Yeah, yang mafau-fau and fun. Because if we have some party back then, we ikako teenage time. So after there's a party, Maya, it's a bottle of water. So we are drinking, like if you are drinking a beer or whatever we are drinking. So he's also pretending that he's drinking a beer, but it's a water.
Nah, kena pede besok pede, bengar sepia, wah ini gua.
Maya can drink, but they all.
Ahora que me pasa oso vai. Que me arroyo mu.
Nope.
Kamera ngai su kumare sa fa me fie mu ba.
Yeah, you know water.
Apa ka ke ro fa ko pa ke me oso nga vai nga ya vai am nga ya ki nga nga vai. Ya me la nga ya ra ka ma ro ki me sang fa mu vai sa fa me pia la ngai mu fa nang pia. Tengah anak mau. Pokoknya IP kan.
Aku gua phong phải mấy đứa mấy đi gua mấy cảnh ở bài bút
Itu bahan. Kan kita mau tahu seorang apa?
So, game yo ko kama fukoy fo ya Maya.
Kami baru ibu
My
kan.
first time like
film mà
staying
Like,
together with Maya and experience how the disability,
Yeah,
this kind of
yeah.
disability works. I have to do a research because I need to know how he reacts, how he talk. Because back then when he talk, like I don't know, like I have to ask my husband, what is he saying? Like because it's so hard. So now I'm used to everything and I know how Maya is. So Maya is Maya.
dash
Nice lah bahagia.
ê
Ya kaya berasa aku belan. Ya. Mama kalau kemarin orang ada. Ai biasa mere deh. Ai sang ai
Oh my gosh.
các cái video
Ai sang ai orang ada ha. Maro over ai kemarin ngafil mah ya.
Yeah, Sunday and Monday. So yeah, we have to balance his meal for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
ai phong sơ thích
3 days straight.
Nah.
phong thích rồi
Ya salah deh nak Saya lava deh main mai ya saya foi mo otro lava ba.
Yeah.
Lo anga lei malang malo fa mai lang mai nei ai nga bai bai ya to pule dia saya le subscribe mo like ya
Yeah.
man
Thank
we
you.
ada tua ni. Tom tu ai nga ya saya mai mai ya ai manusia ina ya fuanga tsoe umore nei po. Ya wakaya ko makanga duenga ya manduya foi chuche ma fai vole ni va yaso tashi dia tua mai cha uma ya na
hey man
chu
Yeah. So yeah, we wanted to say thank you to all our subscribers, friends up here
squash
for all your support to our family channel. And we also want to wish you for the week ahead because tomorrow you guys gonna back to work. So all the best with this week and for our US subscribers and friends because tomorrow is gonna be your holiday. So enjoy your holiday.
Yeah.
Stay blessed, everyone.
Amerika
Yeah. So we wanna thank you, everyone, and thank you for your support, your like, your comments, subscribers, and our new subscribers as well. We thank you for your support, guys. So that's our dinner for tonight and a small storytelling about our brother here and our life as well. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. But for now, good night. Love you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
love you all
wala
all các cái video
sai fu ama ya manu ya God bless you all.
à